What I like about this vacuum is that it does have a green light on it. And the green light does have a 110-degree wide angle. And what's really amazing about the green light is you think your floors are clean. Well, when you use that green light and you turn it on, you realize you have a lot of debris on that floor. Hair, dust, you name it, you'll see it on the floor. And that is one of the things that I notice with the green light. So, which is fantastic. A lot of other vacuums might have a white light. You don't see that debris on the floor like the green light, and I think that is fantastic. So another great feature with this vacuum. I want to go ahead and play some video footage of me picking up and testing this out on the hard floor, as well as on the carpet, also my hair,